Do reading. Extensive reading is something which is, I guess, is very important for any person out there. When I talk about reading, what kind of reading? You do not need to go very much technical into reading. Just do reading about the market and the industry. Be updated about the industry trends out there. Okay, that is something. Be updated about what's really happening across digital platforms. What trends are, what hashtags are really trending a lot. What news are coming across. You should be aware of a lot of things out there. So one is be updated. Read well as much as possible. Second, the second tip which I give to a person who wants to start his career in digital marketing is understand which platform does he find interest in. Okay, so when I say which platform does he or she find interest is basically there are certain aspects which I've explained in the starting part of this particular video, that which platforms would a person actually find interest in. Some people find interest in advertisements, that's basically your Google ads. Some people find interest in social media. Some people find interest in mobile marketing. Some people find interest in email. So what is your core? What really you like to do, or what you would like to do in the future? Okay, so understand that. Even if you don't know the detail or the technicalities, that's okay, no problem. You just need to understand where you are currently in terms of liking a particular subject in digital. Okay, then comes the third. Just research across whoever are there in any of your circles who have pursued your career in digital marketing, or rather what's really happening in the industry. Keep updated with the industry trends as into what kind of recruitments are happening in the digital industry. That will also give you a very good idea about what exactly would be the scope expected out of you. Because what happens is, traditionally when a person was hired in 2010, 11, 12 in companies, the job rules were different that time. This time the job rules are different. This time what people want is one person to manage multiple roles. Okay, or rather, sorry, I'm just inverting the scenario. That time one person should be managing multiple roles, because that time the digital presence was not much. But today's time, there are so many people who are managing multiple roles in multiple for multiple companies also. If I'm talking from the perspective of an agency guy, this person is one person who is managing multiple roles for multiple companies. तो अभी क्योंकि वॉल्यूम बढ़ गया है, so lot of things are expected out of a digital marketer out there. So a person should be very much aware, a fresher should be very much aware of what's happening in the digital industry out there. Okay, the fourth thing what I really expect out of this particular person who wants to make his career in digital marketing is understand and implement certain content strategies in his own life. When I say content strategies means, if in case he really has a liking towards writing some content like a blog or something, I would rather say just go ahead and market that. I mean, sorry, just go ahead and manage that. Manage your own stuff, manage your own content. Somewhere or the other, your own content would help you. Now, I'm not saying that blog is something which is a rocket science. People do write blogs, but we teach blogs in our course here in digital marketing with Board Infinity. We teach blogging as a science. We don't treat it as a normal essay what you write in school days, right? This is basically a science. A blog writing is a science that is being taught as a science in the course. As of now, you're not expected to understand the science. Okay, but all I'm saying is just be connected to content. Keep writing something, keep reading something. Okay, that is something important. And the most important thing out there, which is my fifth point, is take up a course which can give you that professional impetus out there, which can give you a professional push out there. Because eventually, if you would want to learn a digital marketing from a self-paced course which is online, or maybe so many institutes happen to sell those kind of courses, you're not going to get the basics out of it. I mean, I'm not going to name certain institutes, but you already know that there are certain leading institutes out there where there are so many big companies and senior most people out there who are watching these courses. Now, what happens is, so many companies, they're also expecting the senior management to go through certain digital marketing courses out there, which are very readily available online. And that too, there are certain institutes which sell these courses in very small amount of money. You take up certain modules, you see those modules, and then you say, okay, you know it. But at the end, when it comes to real-time implication and evaluation of writing an ad, or maybe doing a kind of a content promotion on social media, these people don't know how to do it. Even though how much ever senior they are, they don't know how to do it, because these things are not taught. There are lots of things which go into making a digital marketer, which is not just the platform, also the kind of content, also the kind of psychology, consumer behavior, etc., etc., and knowing your target audience. These things are done as an exercise with you when you take up a full-fledged course like this. So I would advise you, do not take up courses which are self-paced, which teach you digital marketing, which can guarantee you digital marketing basics in 30 hours. Don't do that. Go for a proper medium. It's like saying, if a person is selling you MBA in a market by saying, give us this much money and I'll give you a degree, don't do that. Go to a proper MBA college and do it. Please apply your same logic here and do a digital marketing course properly with an institute like this, because that is what is going to help you in future.